Welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us today, you must be interested in karting, so we're here to share a quick experience we had with you at Road America. A lot of people who visit this track don't know there's a karting course on the back half of the track. It's a little hard to get to, takes about 15 minutes to walk there or a quick kart ride with one of the shuttles. However, it's well worth searching out. Once we got to the track and were checked in, we were able to head down to the grid and check out the karts. They're pretty straightforward, belt-driven, single-speed karts. This wasn't position-based, this was lap time-based. The staff was friendly and helped us space out to make sure that we all had enough room to get going. The first thing I noticed while getting on the track was how wide it was. There also was quite a bit of challenging elevation changes. And also how many interesting corners there were. Some that were decreasing radius, some that were expanding, opening up. To get a good clean lap and a solid lap time, it was pretty obvious you just didn't need to use the brakes and really practice modulating the throttle around the entire course. Don't be afraid to let the kart slide a bit, just be ready to recover it if it starts to go around. The center S seems to be one of the hardest areas for most people to grasp, but it is pretty straightforward if you just make sure you enter early enough and use all the runoff room on the outside to keep your kart speeds as high as possible. Something else to consider is Road America's karting track is one of the most scenic karting tracks I've ever been to. It's surrounded by beautiful green grass and trees, and often the sound of race cars in the background. Don't pass this place up if you head to Road America. Well, that's all for me. Just go ahead and enjoy a couple of sweet laps, and hopefully we'll see you out there.